Boosting your Amazon KDP book sales or using the right size. So welcome back to the channel. I'm Nora and we talk about daily passive income tips and strategies that I also use myself. And if you're into Amazon KDP, I also share a daily KDP profitable niches that are really amazing to get started creating medium content, high content books as well. So here's a quick tip that can significantly impact your book publishing success. And it's something many people overlook, which is the book size. Yes, size really does matter when it comes to your books, and it can dramatically boost your earning potential. Now, let me break it down for you. Most people publish on Amazon KDP, especially coloring books. They publish these on a consistent basis, and they are in the popular jumbo size format, which is the large print, the one that we're all familiar with, at 8.5 times 11 inches. Now, this is a great size for big detailed pages that kids and adults love to color and doodle on. But recently, I've decided to diversify my product range and start publishing Sudoku books. Now, at first, you can follow the crowd. You can use the same jumbo size format to pack in as many puzzles as possible, but then you discover the game-changing alternative, the 6x9 inch size, which is a more compact, travel-friendly option. Now, you might think, does size really make that much difference? Spoiler alert, it absolutely does. Now let's dive into the numbers. You can start by comparing two books. For example, one book that has 105 pages, priced the same. The only difference is the size. Here's the kicker. The small 6x9 slashed the printing cost by 54% per book, which is a whooping 23.48 savings. Now that's extra money straight into your pocket. Now at first glance, 54 cents might not seem that much, but scale it up. Imagine selling 100 copies, 1,000 copies, 500 copies. For example, in the case of 1,000 copies, that's an extra $540 in royalties just by switching to a smaller format. But the benefits do not stop here. A lower printing cost also means that you can afford to price your book much more competitively. Now that could lead to more sales, better reviews, and a higher ranking on Amazon's bestseller lists. So you can start wondering, if coloring books could thrive in the smaller format, that would just be a game changer. While the jumbo size is great for detailed designs, the compact, smaller travel size 6x9 inches is perfect for the on-the-go fun, whether it's kids coloring in the backseat or passengers solving Sudoku puzzles on a plane. So here's a quick comparison. Let's break this down. We've got the jumbo size, which is an 8.5 times 11 inches, and it converted to 10 centimeters, it is 21.59 centimeters times 27.94 centimeters. We've got the compact size, which is a 6.9 inches, and it is 15.24 centimeters times 22.86 centimeters. So what are the difference? Just 2 inches in height and 2.5 inches in width. And this is not a physical huge change, but it is a huge financial one. What do you think? Are you ready to experiment with different sizes and boost your earnings? Let me know in the comments. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tips on how you can be able to grow your KDP business. I'll see you in the next one. Take care and have a great day.